Hello and welcome to ITA. Just a quick update on the analysis I did on the 5th of January. Okay. Sorry for the last video, the analysis I did on Saturday. I think I was too zoomed in with my classical music, so if you couldn't hear me, sorry, I couldn't just help because I was tired and I wanted to keep awake. So that's the song that keeps me awake whilst I'm doing stuff. So sorry if you couldn't hear me. Right, so this is a quick update on all the trades. This one, initially it was like that. Okay, that's how I sent out the signal for last Friday. So what I was doing was I was placing my stop above this up candle here, because I thought that this is the limit and price should get there and then it shouldn't go further, but it seems like it wanted to come up to this up candle, so really I should have placed the stop there. Okay, but if I did, this is no good trade because the risk to reward is not good enough. Okay, the risk to reward is not good enough, so I wouldn't take it. Yeah, that's why I pulled the stop just above this low, above this high, so I can get a bit of room for the risk to reward. Yeah, but if you did get stopped out, it's no big deal. Okay, because other trades are still playing out, so you can still make something of those ones. Yeah, so sorry if you did get stopped out. It's part of trading, don't be upset. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame because it rejected and went all the way down with the news that's going on. Let's see. Kind of like this. So if I want to take another trade, what will I do? Right now I don't think I'll take the trade because of what is going on currently, but if I want to, I'll still place my stop there. Okay, I'll still place my stop there and then go short, but it's not, the conditions at the moment is not favorable. Okay, there's too many things going on with let me show you guys. Yeah, there's too many things going on with this, so I don't think you wanna be trading right now. Okay, I don't think you want to be trading right now. It's not good condition to be trading. So if you're not, just sit back and save your money. Okay, so if you got stopped out, that's fine, just stay on the sidelines and watch. Let's go on to this pair, New Zealand yen, because that's the one that I want to talk about more. So what is New Zealand yen doing? New Zealand yen. Right, so just like I talked about last time, I said if you were short, keep it, because we are still going to, if I can find the one yeah, okay, this one. So I said if you are still short, keep it, because you're gonna come below this low and then go up and then come back down again. So we did get that, yeah, beautifully. Came down there, went up. I wanted it to come to this area. It failed to get there. Okay, it failed to get there, but it's fine. You're not upset about it because you've made some money already. Okay, don't be upset. Just take it as a pinch of salt, because if you miss a trade, you have not lost money. So I was still short from up here, and I took some down there, and then the rest is still on. Okay, so I still have a position from up there. I'm not gonna touch it because right now it's just chaos going on, so I'm just gonna leave it and see what happens. Right, so if you're still short, keep it. If not, just stay out. Let's go to the next one. The next one was Aussie CAD. I was using different. Okay, Aussie CAD. Now on this one, so initially I said we don't have a trade until we close above this zone. Okay, so if we don't close above this zone, then you don't have a trade. Okay, price has to go above this zone and close. If it doesn't do that, then there's no trade. So I don't think anyone should be in a trade on this particularly, because if you did, then you did it at your own risk, because the trade idea was let price close above here before you do anything. Okay, and then the other thing I gave was on the daily. I said I wanted to see price come down with one candle, clear these stops. Okay, let me draw a line and then draw this one here, because I deleted everything. I did a first video and apparently it was not recorded, so I had to do it again. So I said I want to see one candle come here and then reject and come up. I didn't want to see price close below this low here. The fact that we've closed below that low, it kind of pushed me off from taking a trade on this pair. My bias is sideways now. Okay, price is not going up and it's not coming down, so I think we will stay in this range. We probably stay in this range, so it's better to sit on your hands on this pair. Don't do anything, right? Just leave it alone. There are so many pairs out there, so sit on your hands on this pair. If anything interesting pops up, I will update it here and then on Facebook, right? So that's the business for that one. Let's go to gold. Let's talk about gold now. With gold, I said that price should come here, and then that'll be the end of that trade, and then now we want to see price come back inside for another trade to target that high or that level. We didn't get that retracement, okay, but it did retrace to this high, and then this morning when I saw that it went above, just like I showed you on the Aussie CAD. I said that if you close above, then you can be a buyer. So we did close above here. Okay, so I did buy on this retracement, so I'm still long and I'm targeting there. I'm a bit worried about this, but if it does come down, no problem. Okay, because I've already banked the trade I took from there to there, because we did gap. We gapped up here, so when I saw price, it was there, and I took my profit. So it's not a big deal if it does come all the way down. You'll be fine. But if you're not long, again, I don't think we are in a trading condition right now. The market is too volatile. Okay, everything is moving crazily, so it's no good idea to be trading right now. So that's the business for gold. I still think it will go up here, but don't trade. Let's look at copper. Yeah, copper went to the level I said if I want to sell, I'll be selling at, and it went there, minimum drawdown. Okay, and it just came down. I wanted it to come all the way down here, so it's still sideways. We will see what will happen. I'm not really excited about it right now, but it is what it is. Just leave it, okay? If it's not going your way and it's not stopping you out, just leave it, because chances are it will. Okay, most of the time it does. So if you're not in it, don't be in it. If you're in it, just leave it. The next one was corn. Corn is still moving in our way, so short here, stop there, target there and there. It's still moving our way, so we should be fine. We should be fine on this. If you're not in it, again, don't trade, because you will get hurt. Okay, if you're not in it, don't trade, because it will hurt you. There is so many things going on right now that you don't want to be in a trade. So please, if you are not trading, stay out, because market is just moving crazy right now. With that said, let's go on to the next one that I gave, soybean. Not that one. Soybean. Okay, again, same thing. Said it should come up here and then roll over. It did, and it's rolling over. So if you're short, keep it. If you're not, stay out. Simple as that. Okay, there's nothing to be said about this. One thing I said regarding what is going on with all this, alright, is to focus on yen and Swiss pairs. So let's have a look at a few yen pairs. Okay, that one tanked, and now it has retraced all the way back. I still think it's gonna go down. Okay, I still think it's gonna go down. There's too many things going on right now. That's why price is doing what it's doing. But ultimately, it should go down. Okay, so that's that one. Oh, I didn't talk about. Yeah, I did talk about that. New Zealand yen, I've talked about it. CAD yen, I've talked about that. Aussie yen also tanked. Okay, it went all the way down. What other yen do we have? Swiss franc against the yen. That one also tanked. Okay, and then it's now going back up. So all the yen pairs will do that. I think with what is going on, all the yen pairs and the Swiss pairs will do that. but for now, for this week, just stay calm, don't do anything, let's see what happens, and then after all this business this week, you come back fresh next week and see what we can do, because I don't like the way price is doing. So I think I might close all my position and then just watch, because I don't like the way price is doing. You can't go down and then come all the way back up. It's too much. So I will see, if anything pops up I'll update, but if nothing pops up, then the rest of the week is off. Don't do anything, save your capital for future trades. Okay, keep your eye, or keep updating yourself on the situations, and I think that will be it. If you have any question, please, I know some people do have questions, but they don't know what to do. If you have a question, send it in the comment section, or come onto Facebook and find Institutional Trading Academy and then send me a message, or you can go to Twitter and send me a message, wherever way, or you can come here, TradingView, and then send me a message, right? Okay, so I think that'll be it for now. I'll update, or I'll send a weekend review on Saturday, and then I'll do a forecast for next week on Sunday. Okay, so stay tuned and stay blessed.